Welcome to my channel Learn with Hanam. So let's start. Which state does Kamala Sohni, the first Indian woman to earn a PhD degree in a scientific discipline, belong to? Your time starts now. Madhya Pradesh is the correct answer. What is the value of India's all-time high seafood exports, where it shipped 17,35,286 MT of seafood worth over how many crore rupees? Your time starts now. ₹63,969 crore is the correct answer. INS Vagir is scheduled to embark on an operational visit to which city? Your time starts now. Colombo is the correct answer. Ranki Reddy, who recently made headlines, belongs to which sport? Your time starts now. Badminton is the correct answer. Which agricultural product exhibited the highest growth in exports during April-May 2023 compared to April-May 2022? Your time starts now. Spices is the correct answer. Which country has announced investments of over $600 million in climate initiatives? Your time starts now. United States of America is the correct answer. Who has been awarded the European Essay Prize on the occasion of the French translation of her latest essay, Azadi? Your time starts now. Arundhati Roy is the correct answer. Which country emerged as the winner of the Nations League 2023? Your time starts now. Spain is the correct answer. In which state is the Godhan Naya Yojana being launched? Your time starts now. Jharkhand is the correct answer. Ravi Sinha, the newly appointed chief of the Research and Analysis Wing, belongs to which state as an IPS officer? Your time starts now. Chhattisgarh is the correct answer. Now let me know about your marks in the comment section with your name. Okay? And take care and best of luck.